finally made it to Norway. I probably woke up at around 5 o'clock today, just before 5, and taking it quite easy with my girlfriend Alex, and we're gonna head up to a place called Gullfjellet. And it's a mountain, it's the biggest mountain in Bergen. Bergen is actually where I'm from, so I'm kind of come home to Norway. But I wasn't that, when I lived here, I wasn't that into nature. I didn't learn all my bird names here, so I don't even know most of the bird names in Norwegian, which is kind of sad, I know. And I haven't been to a lot of the places around here. But I found a really good website called birdingbed.no. And it started to have a collection of places that are good for birds in the area. So thank you guys so much for making that, because that's a great resource. If anybody ever comes to Norway, then check that out, because I'll put a link to that in the description below, because it's a really good resource to find birds in Norway. Anyways, heading up to Gullfjellet, which is the highest mountain in Bergen. It's about 960 odd or something like that meters. We're checking out these rivers on the way up. Maybe there'll be some dippers. Dipper is actually the national bird in Norway. It's called a fossekall, and which is basically just means, directly translated, that's just, what would that be? Waterfall call, or calling waterfall. Anyways though, we're heading for the mountain top and looking for some of the mountain specialties that you find here. But unfortunately though, it's a bit late in the season, and actually some of them have already left, so we might not find them. But there's a chance of finding a few things here, especially things like rock ptarmigan, and even on the way up we'll explore the different woodlands and things like that, and small shrubs and trees to see what kind of birds you can find. Anyways though, we're just going to pack up all our stuff, have the rest of my coffee, and then get going up the hills.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of love.
Let's see if I can't get a little bit closer to these ring eagles.
Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got, and when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
So I just tried to get close to some ring ouzels there. There's so many of them up these hills. And there's an amazing background with waterfalls in the distance, but the mist is getting really thick and just turn into this white kind of background, which can work maybe to some degree as well. But went up there, got close-ish to a few ring ouzels. Nothing great, not a good image. And a flock of meadow pipits flew in. It's really in their habitat. So I got a few images of them I'm quite happy with. And this is really just, you know, this is my, I've had a few days here in Norway now to relax with family, and now, as I often do when I come to a new place, I know this is new because I'm from here, but it's still kind of new because I'm not known here when it comes to nature and wildlife and birds in particular, where to go see things. So finding that place, this place, online first, getting to know what I can find here, and then taking a little recce walk out here. Obviously I bring everything with me. I'll make a video out of it because I'm hoping that I can get some images when I'm out here as well. But it's a little bit to see what's worth coming back for, maybe later when I have more time. But so far they're really cool to see all these ring ouzels here, and that kind of habitat there would be a perfect backdrop on a nice day with some better weather maybe. Get that golden light, or today's quite good as well. I like overcast weather for these kind of things, and it's a black bird with a white chest, so it's actually quite a really good bird. It's a tricky exposure, so it's a really good bird to photograph. And these kind of conditions where it's diffused light, although I would like less of that mist. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going, and I'm hoping for a few other species here. Quite misty now.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight.
So right now we're inside this rescue cabin, which is up here on the road on the way to Gullfjellet. They actually sell waffles or pancakes and coffee here, but it's not open now. I think it might just be on the weekends or something like that. Anyways, it is misty out, a sea of fog outside, so we're just gonna wait here a little bit, see if it clears up, and then head back out and see if we can't make it to the top.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it, but you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way.
This place is absolutely stunning. Can't believe I've never been here before. The landscape is so cool. I haven't heard a bird in quite a while. I just heard one here. I think it's just a meadow pipit. What I'm really hoping to see here is more things like rock ptarmigan, dotterel, which I missed in Scotland, but there's a chance that I missed it here as well. The birding bed website that I looked at says that it's likely to be gone now. We'll just have to walk on and see. I'm hoping to find something more than meadow pipit to photograph.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive. You are one who will survive.
I think we're getting close to the top, but hardly had any birds lately. Every now and then you can hear a little chirp. Sounds like a meadow pipit, and we think we had a little what reminded us of red grouse in Scotland, but I think it's rock ptarmigan here. Don't get anything on the top though. It's been a really good walk anyways, and we'll have a look on our way back down to see if we can't find something else. The top pretty much, there's a rock ptarmigan and it just flew off when we made it up here. Wow. Amazing habitat. We only seen one rock ptarmigan though, and it flew away as soon as we came up here. Might not be many birds in this video. Getting close to coming back down now, and one thing is for sure, mountainous habitat are tricky for wildlife photography. They are extremely rewarding when you get it right, and they're quite rewarding in itself. Like you get to walk a really nice hill, and I can't complain about this day. This place is just absolutely stunning. The scenery has been amazing. I've seen so many landscape images in my head just walking around here. It's just crazy. But for wildlife photography though, I really wanted to focus a bit on mountainous species. Unfortunately though, I got a few ring ouzel, but I never really got an image that I'm happy with. I got one rock ptarmigan. That was just as we hit the top, at the very top, and it flew away immediately when it saw us. So, and we never saw another one. But anyway, it's been a really nice day, and this is a bit of a wrecky day as well. And I can see here that here when we're back down, the habitat here is more scrub and woodland, and it's got nice rivers. So this is definitely a place that I want to come back to. And you can hear warblers loads of places here, and I can imagine a host of other species that will be in this kind of area. So coming back for those. And I also know an area now where the ring ouzel are quite prevalent, so that's also a species that, you know, if I decide I want to work with that, it's not too far of a walk back up here, because that's only, I don't know, about a third of the way up or something. Other than that, there's a few other reservoirs here, and I've checked them, and I haven't seen any bird life in it yet. There's a few other ones that I'm going to check on the way out, and that's also partly one of the reasons that I came here, that I'm doing a video for Tragopan this month, and I'm going to use the hockey ground hide. So hopefully I'll get that done quite soon, and it might be from one of these areas here if I can find a place to do it. So I'll put a link above if and when I found a place to do that on. But anyways, this might be it for this video, and it doesn't always come together. Today I think I just got a couple of images of meadow pipits, but I've had a great walk. We've had a great walk. It's been a long trek up the hills. We really got to see some more of the habitats around Bergen, and what kind of possibilities there are here for next time. So thank you for watching, and I'll be out with more videos from Norway, and hopefully we're gonna catch a little bit more wildlife and birds next time. So until then, see ya.